Natural remedies for chapped lips using herbs and oils. Are your lips dry, cracked, or painful? Instead of reaching for store-bought balms, try these 4 natural, time-tested remedies made from simple herbs and oils you may already have at home. Remedy 1. Herbal Healing Blend. First up, a powerful healing blend. Boil equal parts of marshmallow root, rose water, and fenugreek. Let it cool and apply to the lips daily. This remedy is known for soothing irritation and speeding up healing. Remedy 2. Olive leaf juice. Fresh olive leaves aren't just good for the body, they're amazing for the skin too. Crush olive leaves to extract the juice. Apply to your lips once a day for 3 days. It helps reduce inflammation and deeply nourishes damaged skin. Remedy 3. Herbal honey balm. Next, a sweet and healing balm made with honey and herbs. Mash fresh coriander. Add a splash of sour grape water. Mix with pure honey. Apply daily for a week. Honey pot. This combo hydrates, heals, and softens your lips naturally. Bonus, burn salt treatment. Finally, a traditional tip, the burn salt method. Roast table salt until it turns black. Let it cool. Use a small amount gently on lips or gums. Warning sign, use with care. It's great for killing bacteria and promoting healing, but don't overdo it. Nature has everything we need. Try these remedies and let your lips heal the natural way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Veggies Lifestyle.